Hello and welcome to EDAL, and welcome to the EDAL Customer Experience Centre, where we have two machines set up ready to demonstrate. We have our FL3, the Flexographic Label Press, and our FL5, a Single-Pass Carton Production line. Darren Shimmons, our Print and Applications Manager, is here ready to show you them live in action.
Our typical FL3 demo shows us printing a water bottle label on a filament material, running reel to reel. We'll then transition and show a job changeover to printing a wine label on standard label stock, and this is then finished with a cold foil embellishment.
The labels are then cut with our easy die, a quick change conversion system that's capable of changing the die in less than 60 seconds.
You'll also see technologies like the Easy Reg, a cost-effective closed-loop camera-based autonomous register system designed in-house by EDAL, as well as other technologies designed to save you both time and money, such as the job save and recall functions. On both demo jobs, we aim to print to the FOGRA 39L standard, which achieves repeatable and high-quality samples. We can then send these samples and other samples out to you upon request. Our carton demo is produced on our FL5 Single-Pass Carton Production line, where we go from a reeler material to a finished, highly embellished carton in a single pass. You'll then see a job change on the press and on the flatbed die cutter tooling as we switch to a pharmaceutical carton with braille. These are fantastic samples designed by the team, and with even more of these coming soon. We invite you to see any of your production jobs on the FL5 Single-Pass Carton Production line. That's just how confident we are of its ability to match anything the traditional method can achieve. During the demo, you'll see firsthand the small amount of setup waste of just 1.5 machine lengths and the small production area required, as we virtually eliminate any work in progress. Carton production couldn't be simpler, as you go from a reeler material to a finished carton with one operator in 1 minute in one single pass.
Why not come and visit so you can see for yourself these amazing machines in action and have a factory tour of our premises in Whiteley, Hampshire in the UK. We promise a demonstration in a relaxed atmosphere with time to chat and have a coffee. And if you can't make it down, we can arrange a virtual demonstration online at a time and day that suits you. You can contact us at info@edal.com or give us a call, or visit the website www.edal.com and we'll help you plan your visit. Remember, seeing is believing.